In the heart of Thomasville, within the Covington Ridge Townhomes community, lies the Alexandria model, a home where elegance meets functionality in every corner. From the first step, a warm foyer welcomes you in. In the background, the staircase hints at the private space awaiting upstairs. To the right, a thoughtfully placed guest bathroom, ideal for when family or friends visit. Direct access to the garage adds practicality and convenience to the home's design. Beneath the staircase, a perfectly tucked-away storage space shows that every detail here has been carefully considered. The kitchen is bright and modern, with white cabinetry, built-in appliances, and a functional pantry, ready to inspire every recipe. The dining area features an elegant table and a hanging light fixture that adds a touch of sophistication. From there, the view to the patio brings in a refreshing outdoor vibe. The patio, cozy and private, offers the perfect setting for a sunny breakfast or a quiet afternoon with family. The living room blends light tones with a dark accent wall, creating a visual contrast that exudes elegance and warmth. Natural light pouring through the windows brings the space to life. As you go upstairs, decorative touches create a harmonious transition into the home's most intimate spaces. The primary bedroom is spacious and serene, a true sanctuary to unwind at the end of the day. Its ensuite bathroom features dual sinks, a spacious shower, and modern finishes that enhance everyday living. A well-designed walk-in closet complements the primary bedroom, offering plenty of space for every need. A second room, styled as a home office, breathes tranquility, perfect for working or reading in peace. The laundry or storage area is conveniently located upstairs, adding extra functionality to the layout. The next bedroom is cozy, with its own closet and a window that brings in natural light and relaxing views. The shared bathroom includes a bathtub, shower, and clean design, perfect for comfortable daily routines. The Alexandria model is not just a house, it's the perfect setting to build memories, grow as a family, and find peace. A home designed for those seeking more than just walls and a roof. Schedule your tour today and discover your next home.